Hello again everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope everybody's doing well. So for today's vlog, I am going to share with you guys what I have experienced during the Liberation Day here in Jersey. So by the way guys, ito pala yung 79th anniversary of Liberation Day in Jersey. So as what I've mentioned from my previous vlog, Jersey was occupied by German soldiers during the World War II. So sa mga usual events naman pag mga ganitong Liberation Day, may mga parades at kung ano-ano pang mga public events which are really good kasi maraming taong lumabas ngayon dahil napaka-perfect din ng weather. Pag ganitong maganda yung weather guys, expect nyo na lumalabas talaga yung mga tao. Napaka-lively ng vibe, tsaka yung mga bata nakakapaglaro sa park at nakakapaghalubilo sa ibang mga bata, which is really good, diba? Kasi napakahaba nung winter namin, tsaka last year ay hindi naman talaga gaanong maganda yung summer, kaya hopefully this year ay maganda naman talaga. Tuloy-tuloy na yung sunshine. At balak talaga namin ng mga friends ko na maglakad, pero medyo na-late ako ng dating at nagsa-start naman na din yung parade, kaya sabi ko manood muna kami ng parade bago kami maglakad. So guys, I hope you will enjoy watching my videos. Hindi muna ako magsasalita ngayon at I just want you guys to enjoy kung ano yung mga nakikita ko na experience ko dito sa Jersey during their Liberation Day. Thanks again for watching guys. Till next time. Ingat. Bye.
Hold on, see you right.